In this video, I will show you how to connect your OKX wallet to the ICE network. Visit the official site ice.io, download and install the ICE app on your device. Now open the ICE app, sign up using your Google account or another preferred method. Complete the beginner's guidance as prompted on the screen. Now open your OKX wallet. Copy your Ethereum wallet address from your account. Go back to the ICE app homepage. Tap on the Ethereum address field. Paste your Ethereum address, which is copied from OKX. Tap Confirm to finish the binding process. So that's it. Your ICE network account is now linked to your Ethereum address from OKX wallet. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.